Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are talking about session 2 of the chapter A Gift of Chapels. Before moving forward the summaries, I would like to give some word meanings. They are crept, which means tiptoed, silently moving, awkwardly, uncomfortably, vesti, which means dhoti in Tamil word, scrawny, which means thin, bearing, which means wearing, effortlessly, which means smoothly, externally, which means strictly or hard-heartedly, rumble, which means growl, ta, which means the pitch which was used to make roar, kept my body and soul together, which means managed to stay live together. Here, live word is missed out. Live together, live together. Fed up, which means tired and unhappy. Now here are some more word meanings in that they are gleaming, which means shiny or glowing. Sturdy, which means durable or well made. Savvy, which means untidy. And incarnate, which means personified or alive. These are the some word meanings which I found difficult in this chapter. Now we are going to the summary. The rest of the topic of which I have left from the session 1, and they are the beggar. We will talk about today is the beggar, the gift, and Rukumani. These are the three topics that I have to read today. First, we will read about the beggar. Now, the beggar is a beggar was coming to Rukumani's house from Rukumani house daily from last week, from a week. यानी पिछले एक सप्ताह से वह लगातार रुक्कुमनी के घर पे आ रहा था. He was leaning against the neem tree. He was about to snooze when Ravi asked him to leave. An irritated Rukkumani told Ravi that there wasn't anything left in the kitchen and asked the beggar not to come again. मतलब पिछले एक सप्ताह से वह इतनी बार आ चुका था कि रुक्कुमनी डोंट वांट हिम टू कम टू her house again, and that is why he asked Ravi to said that beggar to leave the house and never return or never come back again in this house. They were so close to each other that the sound of the Rukkumani can easily be heard by that beggar. The beggar told them that he would leave after taking rest. It was too hot and there were blisters in his feet. After seeing the children, he started a plan for giving him a pair of chappals. Unfortunately, the beggar had got some blisters, pink blisters in his foot due to the hot weather and hot road. Looking at his feet, the child became very sad, and he planned to give a sandal to the beggar. That is why he started searching for the sandal. Now the gift, and the second topic that we have to read about is the gift. The Mridhi saw a pair of old grey chappals while she had entered the house. When they started searching for the gift, the chappal, they found a pair of old grey chappals when they entered the house. It was laid at the gate of the house. Ravi took the chappal and gave it to the beggar and asked him not to come again. And the beggar went away blessing the children. It was the time for the music teacher to leave and looking for his chappal. Before the music teacher came, the children had gifted a chappal to the beggar, and Ravi asked him not to come him again. When he heard it, actually he left this house as soon as possible and vanished in a minute from that road, from the road or from the colony. मिनट में गायब हो गया। और मजे की बात यह है कि he had given the blessing to the children. ब्लेसिंग तो दी है, लेकिन जितनी जल्दी वो गया है, मतलब वो ये नहीं चाहता था कि उससे कोई वो चप्पल मांग ले, इसलिए वो जल्दी से वहां से निकल गया, उस कॉलोनी से गायब हो गया। जैसे वो गायब हुआ, इधर से द म्यूजिक टीचर हु वाज टीचिंग लाली, हिज टाइम वाज अप and he was to leave the house. When he come out of the house, he was searching for the chappal, and he called Lali and looked everywhere and looked लाली को बुला करके उसने उससे बोला कि perhaps he would saw the chappal. Lali informed Rukumani, who questioned the children, that anyone picking the chappal. When Lali was known that कि chappal यहाँ से गायब हो चुके हैं, she goes to Rukumani, inform about the music teacher's chappal, who came out and asked to the children about the chappals. Rukumani was really angry and Mridu could not control. क्योंकि बच्चे को जवाब दे नहीं रहे थे, they were trying or they seemed to be that she had not seen the chappal, they had not seen the chappal, but when Rukumani got angry, Mridu could not control, Mridu को बर्दाश्त नहीं हुआ और she told everything that how they had given the chappal to the beggar. अब यहाँ पे जो मृदु है उसको बर्दाश्त नहीं होता और वो सारे की सारे पोल खोल देती है कि किस तरीके से उन लोगों ने बेगर को एक चप्पल गिफ्ट में दिए। रुक्कुमनी went inside and bought Gopu Mama's new chappal and gave it to the music teacher, but still it was tough for him to accept them, although he was very happy. इस पूरे कहानी में होता क्या है कि द म्यूजिक टीचर asked him that he had just bought from the main road and it was a very costly and a brand new chappal, जिसकी वजह से वह बहुत दुखी हो जाता है और वह यह दिखाने की कोशिश करता है कि वह एकदम नया चप्पल खरीदा था और वह बहुत कॉस्टली था। यह सब सुन के जो रुक्कुमनी है वह अंदर जाती है और एक नए चप्पल जो गोपू मामा का था उसे ला करके म्यूजिक टीचर को देती है। फिर भी म्यूजिक टीचर ऐसे प्रतीत होते हैं जैसे वे खुश नहीं थे। ही वॉज नॉट हैप्पी, ऑल्दो ही वॉज हैप्पी इनसाइड, अंदर से तो खुश थे ही। नाउ द टीचर कॉल्ड रवि रुक्कुमनी। अब यहाँ पे हम तीसरा टॉपिक के बारे में जानेंगे। रुक्कुमनी जो कि एक बहुत ही अच्छी मदर थी और लविंग मदर थी। When teacher called Ravi a monkey, which seemed clear that Rukumani didn't like, she wanted the teacher to leave immediately. जब रवि ने ये कहा कि जब म्यूजिक टीचर ने रवि को बंदर कहा बंदर का अवतार कहा, तो उस समय रुक्कुमणी बहुत गुस्से में थी. She became angry with the music teacher and she wanted the music teacher to leave the house as soon as possible. So she went inside the house, bring the Gopu Mama's new chappal and give it to him. And he went away. After leaving him, she called the children home and offered them snacks. जब म्यूजिक टीचर के चले जाने के बाद रुक्कुमणी बच्चों को अंदर लेती है और उन्हें स्नैक्स खाने के लिए देती है. She wondered what she will tell him, giving a hint that she will take the blame on herself. अब लास्ट में वो ये सोचती है कि किस तरीके से गोपू मामा को ये सारी कहानी बताएगी और वह क्या बोलेगी गोपू मामा को चप्पल के बारे में. At last she thought that, or she gave a hint that she will take the whole blame about the chappal to herself. Now and they went on laughing the inside about the reaction of Gopu Mama. So this was the whole story about the gift of chappal, that how the children gave a beggar a chappal and how the teacher behave over it, and what is the conversation between them. So these are the chapters all about. Here here is what we are looking for. Now if you have any doubt, you can make a video to and send it to the school channel, through which we can try to solve it. Now till then, thanks for watching and stay home, be safe. Thank you.